Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for choosing to click on today's video. You guys are amazing and I really truly do appreciate every single one of you that chooses to click onto my video. It just means the world to me, so thank you so much. If you are brand new, welcome. My name's Simran and I like to make videos on various different topics, whether it be about fashion, travel hauls, luxury reviews. If I feel that it may help someone out there, I tend to try to make a video on it as good as I can. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. It's going to be super exciting, but before we do, if you are brand new and you do enjoy the content and you make it to the end of the video, could you please perhaps consider subscribing and hitting the like button and even sharing if possible, because that would really truly help me out and it would mean the world to me, because I'm so close to hitting my first 1,000 and fingers crossed I get there, and I can only get there with your help. So it would mean the world to me. So without further ado guys, let's get into today's video. Let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about this little baby that I did actually unbox like a few weeks, maybe a few months ago, when I reviewed my Neverfull, and I will actually insert that video below in the description box if you want to see the unboxing of this baby. So today we will be reviewing the Louis Vuitton bandeau. I have the bandeau in the black and white monochrome pattern, which I think is stunning. The bandeau itself is 100% silk, and it's probably one of the lower price range items that they do actually sell on the Louis Vuitton site. I will link the item in the description box as well. It comes in the beautiful box as well, and I just think it helps to really just elevate any outfit. Like if there's something that perhaps you want to perhaps just kind of add a bit of something, you can use the bandeau. So here are some ways that I think this bandeau looks amazing. And the reason why I decided to make this video was because obviously summer is coming along very soon, and I think a bandeau can just uplift any outfit, and it can just make the outfit, just elevate the outfit itself. So I figured if I know there are a lot of videos out there doing this, but I just figured these are the ways that I have been using this bandeau, and I figured it might help somebody who is perhaps thinking of investing in one of these beauties. Perhaps might give them some ideas. Now, one way for sure is definitely using this bandeau as a headband. I love wearing it like this. I just think it kind of takes your hair off your face, gives you that kind of chic 90s vibe, you know, like big sunglasses. So literally all you do is you lift up your hair like so. As you can see, I am tying the bandeau on the back. And I just think that looks cool. I think it looks great for the perfect summer's day out. Kind of keeps your hair off the face. If you think big sunglasses, let me see if I can find some. 2 seconds. As you can see, can you imagine sitting in a car, window, rooftop down, wind blowing, and you've got your bandeau on? You just feel special. So that was tip number 1 as a headband. Some people do not like to do this because it's too much phase. So what you can do is, if you want, you can pull out hair pieces, curl the hair pieces. It's just really up to you. You can do the same style, and you can even have your hair up in a ponytail as a bun. There's endless ways that you can wear this in your hair. Another way to wear this, you can actually even wear it as a band around your wrist. So all you have to do is obviously just wrap. You do have to be careful because obviously it is silk, but as you can see, you just wrap, tie, and you can just carry on tying until, so there you have a beautiful Louis Vuitton wristlet. Another way to use this is also, some people like to wear this around their necks as a neck scarf. So literally all you would do, so can you see already, like I haven't even tied it or anything else. It kind of just lifts any outfit, makes it, adds a little bit of something but not too much. You can also tie it like kind of like, you know, like a neck scarf. I think that's quite cool. I think this with a white shirt would look good. You can also wear it like this. And that's way number 4. Another way is you can also use it to decorate your bag. So I have the Pochette Felice here. Now, you can use this thing to the bag is if you put the bandeau inside, if you have a smaller bag, close, and then you can bring this around. And I just think it adds a little, you know, je ne sais quoi, adds a little bit of something to any bag. And obviously you can do that on if you have any Vachetta leather bag. I have also added it to my Neverfull as well. So literally all I've done is tied it to the strap. So the strap there. Initially when I purchased this, I did purchase this for my Neverfull because I felt like it would make it look different to everybody else's. I know this bandeau is popular, and just to let you guys know, this bandeau does come in other colors. So there's a pink and a brown, but I will link all of that information for you guys in the description box below. So yeah, that was our mini little video for you guys today. I hope you have enjoyed any of the ideas that I've given you. If you have any questions on how to actually apply or how to do anything, please let me know in the comment box below and I'll give you more information as much as I possibly can. If you have any questions about anything else, please do not hesitate to ask me, because I love you guys and you guys are amazing. So thank you so much if you have made it this far. You guys are amazing, and I hope everyone is well and taking care of themselves, and I really truly do look forward to seeing you guys next time in my next video. So till then, thank you, bye.